Nagsagawa ng inspeksyon ang Monitoring Task Force ng Lungsod ng Baguio sa pangunguna ng City Veterinary and Agricultural Office sa mga establishmentong nagbebenta ng karne at isda nitong 26 ng Pebrero. Kabilang sa mga unang ininspeksyon ang Reliera Building sa Block 3 at ang bagong lipunan sa Block 3 at 4. Layunin ng monitoring na masiguro ang wastong timbangan, kompletong permit at kalinisan ng mga tindahan upang maprotektahan ang kalusugan ng publiko.
Sa handling nila, like for example, kung sa mga newly slaughtered meat, kailangan yun, hindi sila patong-patong, example yun. They should not be intermingling, they should not be mixed with the frozen meat. The newly slaughtered meat should be sold within 8 hours. And for the chilled meat, like for example, the dressed chicken, it should be sold over a bed of ice. And for the frozen meat, they should be sold inside the freezer, and it should not be displayed outside the freezer or like the newly slaughtered meat.
Dagdag pa ni Guminigin, pagdating sa kalinisan, hindi pinapayagan ang mga hayop sa loob ng market, gaya ng stray animals at maging ang alagang hayop. Ipinagbabawal din ang paninigarilyo at dapat ding tiyakin na malinis ang lahat ng kanilang gamit upang hindi magkaroon ng kontaminasyon sa kanilang mga paninda. Samantala, 3 establishmento ang nabigyan ng sanitary order ng Health Services Office at 5 ang nabigyan ng Notice of Violation o Final Warning mula sa CIVAO. 2 citation ticket naman ang inisyu dahil sa paglabag ng Anti-Styro Ordinance ng Public Order Safety Division. Pinaalalahanan naman ng publiko na maging mapanuri sa pagbili at tiyaking meron itong meat inspection certificate.
As for the freshness, of course, most of our residents or our consuming public are not aware. If you are not technical, you cannot really distinguish what is fresh, or shall we say newly slaughtered meat, or it was slaughtered within the prescribed time. So, and it depends on the person who is buying the meat, right? So, as I have said, it would be better to look for the meat inspection certificate. The meat inspection certificate should always be within the stall, or it should be posted within the stall for the consumers to check the time of delivery as well as the issuance. If you look at, if you see that the time of issuance is already more than 8 hours, then you should not buy already on that meat being sold in the market.
Patuloy ang pagsasagawa ng meat and fish inspection sa palengke ng Baguio City upang matiyak ang kalinisan, kaligtasan at kalidad ng iba't ibang produktong binibenta sa publiko. Rain Mayos para sa PIO Baguio Balita.